Hi guys, welcome back with the last and the last puzzle of in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday. It's still Tuesday, June 15th, 2021. The last puzzle is a tectonic one, tectonic with 4 stars. And this one will be a number 2952. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16. So should be an easy one because the difficult ones has always 9, 10, 11 or 12 printed digits. So 4 stars puzzle, that means also if it's really 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Well, so let's begin. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single boxes? Because the single boxes are always a 1. Alright. Then, do we have dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Here also the dual box. But I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 2. More dual boxes. No. Here, another one. The 1 and the 2. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box then. Do we see here a triple box? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes. No quadra boxes. So the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. Some shapes or figures or construction or structure. For example, the L shape. Upside down, this one is upside down. Here we have an L shape. Oh, L shape. Let me correct this. Yes, the L shape. Upside down here. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape, this kind of shape. About this one, yes. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of these kind of shapes. Here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. Here, the same number has the same number as that box. Yeah. Then the following shape. Here we have another shape. Let me draw this. Yes, this shape. You remember that this box has the same number as that box. So here we have a 1. So this should be also a 1. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes. Let me see. Here, but rotated or mirrored. Yes. So this box has the same number as that box. So it should be also a 1. Okay. More of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following figure, this figure or shape, whatever. Here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So it must be a 4. Alright. So this should be a 4. It's the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So this should be a 1. Alright. Those are the figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this puzzle, there are more of these kind of shapes or figures, but in this puzzle there are 4 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. So then it's easier to fill the number. So let's get started with filling the numbers. Alright. Here we have a 1 here. So I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 2. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes. And there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so... And that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I fill a 4 in one of those 2 boxes, I cannot place any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 because we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 1. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I've double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 4 here. So the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 here, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Alright. That means that I have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2. That box can also not be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a dual box. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and a 2. Alright. 1 and a 2. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay, this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, that means we have a double 1 here. I have also double 1 there. I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place for the 1 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay, 2 boxes left, 5 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright, 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Alright, we go to this space. Let me see. 1, 2. Yeah, this box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box is connected with that box. This box should be a 4. Yes. In the earliest stage, I should fill this number. I forgot to place the 4 here. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this area for number 3. This box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. This box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4. It's in the same area, so this box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. Okay. Then let me see. 1, 4. Yeah. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Yeah. 4 and 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 4, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Definitely a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Now I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, great puzzle, great Tectonic. I like this one. Is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the 4 stars Sudoku, for the 3 stars Sudoku, for the 2 stars, for the 1 star, for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day, have a fantastic Tuesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. See you then. Bye bye for now.